Hi, welcome to Small Space Urban Gardening. Uh, I'm back again this week to show you what I'm growing and see the progress of how everything is going pretty good. I'm going to start with the outside of my bed, which I have too much stuff here. I try to get as much as I can growing. Okay, so let's start over here with the spinach first. Alright, I have this spinach in these pots. Many of the seeds I started earlier in the spring in March, and two of these plants right here were the plants that overwintered from last year. I'm really surprised by that because our temperatures went down to -1 degrees this year, this winter past, and I'm surprised that they made it through. They came back and they look healthy as ever. These two right here, these two large ones right here, I think I'm going to harvest some of these baby spinach leaves today. And behind that is my grape tomato plant. The tomato plant that I grew getting the seeds from a small packet of grape tomatoes that you buy from the supermarket. That's one way that I save money. I'll take the seeds out of a fruit or vegetable that I like, and I'll take it from my kitchen and I'll put it in some dirt, and here's the plant right here. Over here I have some potatoes also that I got from the supermarket. I got these from Whole Foods and I decided to let them sit out. These were organic purple potatoes. It was a mixture. I showed the video before. There was a few of them that were not organic, and I was told that non-organic potatoes are treated with a substance that prevents them from growing the eyes and regrowing, but I've had luck growing those last year. No problem. They sprouted. Over here is a strawberry plant. I think this is the third year. It has flowers on it, looking beautiful, looking nice and healthy. I usually never ever get to harvest any of my strawberries because something else, like a little critter such as a squirrel or something, comes and takes it from me. But hopefully I'll get at least one or two of them this year. And those little flowers are beautiful. Over here is my sorrel. And it's going to seed already, but I believe this is the second year I've had this sorrel, but I'm not exactly sure how old it is because it was gifted to me. It was actually gifted to me by one of my garden members. We traded. I traded her for the red vein sorrel, and she gave me this one because I like the way this tastes better. Claudia, I'm recording something. Would you mind if I got a picture of you? Just real sick. Yeah, alright, this is Claudia. She's the one who gifted me the sorrel. We traded. Okay, so over here I have mustard greens. I love mustard. They're nice and spicy, and they have grown so large. I have some mustards at home too, of different variety. I forgot the name of the variety, but I'll show you shortly when I do my home garden. And this is some perpetual spinach. This is the first time I've ever tried growing perpetual spinach. It's supposed to be like related to chard, but it's more like a spinach. It doesn't have the thick stems. Alright, now over here I have some more potatoes. Yes, yes, yes. And this is a new experiment. This is the second year that I'm growing potatoes. And it's mostly straw in here with just a little bit of compost. And people are saying that this works. And I'm going to see. It's starting to grow. So I'm happy. I'm excited. Now up here are my cucumbers. I have Space Master, Lemon, and Armenian. And one of my babies, look, those don't look too good. Oh my gosh, look. Weak, limp. I don't know what's going on. Everybody's been fed. It rained really good. As you see, this one, I believe this is the Space Master. This has flowers on it already. It's looking good. And this one, I don't know if this is the Armenian or the Lemon. I don't know which one of these is dying, but I'll replace it if hopefully it can be revived, but it doesn't look very good. It looks like it's over for this one, but I'll try to give it a little bit of love. You can make it. You can make it, baby. All right, now over to my bed. I see that I have this perpetual spinach growing, and right over here in this line, then the Swiss chard seeds. This one has outdone the others because actually this one is one I transplanted at a very small size. I had about 4 other ones at this size as well. This is the only one that survived. I think that I had not hardened them off long enough, and this one just happened to make it. Over here looks like someone gifted me a tatsoi plant. I believe it's my neighbor next door, and I appreciate that. I just don't know where I'm going to put it because I have way too much stuff, and I also have tatsoi at home. I have my carrots right there, and the onions that are doing very well. And right here I have one of my, oh my god, did it stop?